Welcome. If you're managing a Telegram channel and want to delegate more control, you might need to allow your channel admins to add new admins themselves. This updated guide will walk you through the exact steps to make it happen, so you can streamline your channel management and empower your team. First, open the Telegram app on your device. Make sure you're logged in with the account that has the necessary permissions to manage your channel. Next, navigate to the channel where you want to update admin permissions. You'll find your channels listed in the main chat screen. Just tap on the one you want to manage. Once you're inside your channel, look at the top of the screen and tap on the channel's name. This opens the channel's profile, where you'll see more details and settings related to your channel. In the upper right corner, tap the Edit button, which is usually represented by a pencil icon. This will take you into the channel's editing menu. Now, find and tap on the Administrators section. Here you'll see a list of all current admins for your channel. Scroll through the list and tap on the admin whose permissions you want to update. This will open a menu showing all the available permissions for that admin. Look for the option labeled Add New Admins. This toggle allows you to decide whether this admin can add other admins to your channel. Simply switch it on to grant them this ability. Once you've made your selection, don't forget to save your changes, usually by tapping a checkmark or save button at the top or bottom of the screen. That's all it takes. The selected admin now has the power to add new admins to your Telegram channel, making it easier to share responsibilities and keep your channel running smoothly. Delegating these permissions can help your community grow and ensure your channel is always well managed. Thanks for tuning in, and happy channel managing!